Can I get a replacement Panasonic TV remote? Yes, you can buy a replacement Panasonic TV remote, whether you need an original Panasonic remote, a universal remote, or a smart remote. Panasonic TV remotes are widely available through official retailers, online stores, and electronics shops. If your Panasonic remote is lost, broken, or not working, you can easily find a compatible replacement based on your TV model. 1. Where to buy a replacement Panasonic TV remote? You can purchase a Panasonic TV remote from Panasonic official store and authorized dealers, buy an original remote from Panasonic's website or authorized retailers. Online marketplaces, Amazon, Walmart, Best Buy, eBay, and Target offer genuine Panasonic remotes and universal remotes. Electronics and appliance stores. Retailers like Best Buy, Home Depot, and local electronics shops carry Panasonic replacement remotes. Panasonic customer support. Contact Panasonic support with your TV model number to find the correct replacement remote. Second types of Panasonic TV remotes. Depending on your Panasonic TV model, you can choose from original Panasonic remote, an exact replacement that works immediately without setup. Panasonic Smart remote designed for Panasonic Smart TVs with Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and voice control. Universal remote, third-party remotes that can be programmed for Panasonic TVs. Replacement infrared IR remote, generic infrared remotes that work with most Panasonic TVs without pairing. 3. How to pair a Panasonic remote with your TV. If you buy a universal remote or a smart remote, follow these steps to pair it. Turn on your Panasonic TV. Point the remote at the TV sensor. Press and hold the setup button, or use auto-programming mode. Enter the Panasonic TV remote code found in the remote manual. Test the buttons to ensure they work properly. 4. Alternatives. If a replacement remote is unavailable. If you can't find a Panasonic remote, you can. Use the Panasonic TV remote app. Download a remote control app for Panasonic smart TVs. Buy a universal remote compatible with Panasonic TVs. Use a streaming device remote if using Roku, Fire Stick, or Apple TV. You can easily buy a replacement Panasonic TV remote from official Panasonic stores, online retailers, and electronics shops. Whether you need an original, universal, or smart remote, multiple options are available to control your Panasonic TV effortlessly.